Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw a zebra out in the Africa savannah. So follow along with me. So we're going to start with a pencil as usual, and we're first going to make a rough sketch of our little zebra. So let's begin. We're going to quickly draw an eye. You can draw an eye like so. And then for our zebra we can maybe draw, let's say, the inner eye, and like this. Now from here you can follow with me, we're just gonna draw a little nose like so, and we're gonna return it back like so. So that would be the rough shape of our zebra with the head and then the little ear. So a zebra ear looks much like a horse's ear. So there we go, there's one. Good. And now for the little nose, we're gonna draw a line and we're gonna return it like so. Okay, good. And then for the nose, for the little nostrils, so we can draw one nostril there and another nostril there. Good, good. There's our little zebra. So, and I just quickly want to draw the eye with two circles like we always do in mycutetoons with the reflection of the light. We're going to color it in. Good. And we're going to change everything later. So the next thing we're going to do, I think let's try to draw the other eye. So I'm going to make a little line like this, and you're going to bring it around about the same height as that. Good. And that's going to be the other eye. There we go. It looks a bit strange, but you'll see when we finish with this, it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Now, I want our little zebra to stand upright. So, we're going to draw the neck like so, and we're going to draw the back of the neck here, like that. Just some guides that we're going to follow. And then we're just going to round off the head, and we're going to take it to the front like so, and you're going to round it off like that as well, because here will be the mane. So the beautiful mane of our little zebra will come down, and we're going to bring it down like this. You see, there we go. So we can just maybe draw a line on top, and you're going to go down, and this line is going to be a dark color. So you're going to make it dark, and we're going to follow through with it down to the bottom. Good. And then we're just going to make a few little marks like this, just to give it some texture, and then it looks more like a little zebra. You see, there's the stripes already. And now we're going to make the other ear. So this, let's just complete this ear quickly like this, and then here we're going to just make another ear, maybe like that. Okay, so remember, a rough sketch. We're going to do a rough sketch. We're going to do that eye quickly. There we go. So just a rough sketch. Don't worry too much of being perfect. We're going to make it perfect. Now I'm going to sort of draw our little zebra down and give it a big belly like so. What do you think? A little overweight zebra. It seems like life is good on the savannah. So now I want to draw the arm. So we're going to draw a line like this. You with me? And we're going to bring it on like this. And then from here we're just going to make it round like so. Go back with me, and we're going to bring it down like this. Bring it around, and then from this side let's just extend the little arm of our zebra right like so. So we just have sort of a basic figure or something. Alright, so now I want us to draw the back. You're going to make it round like so, and remember, we're going to change many things still, so don't worry too much. And maybe we can just draw the grass in the savannah where we think our little zebra would stand. Now from here we're going to bring down the leg like so, and you can do that. And then from here we're going to bring down the leg again like so. Good. And we're going to bring it up. You're going to start from here and you start from there. Same thing here. We're going to bring it in and we're going to bring it out like this. Good. And the hooves. There's one hoof, there's the other hoof. I think it's a beautiful little zebra. Okay, now we're going to give it, let's give our zebra a hoof at the front, and then don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect now. And then we're going to extend this belly. We're going to make our zebra a little rounder, and we're going to extend that leg a little out like that as well. So there's our zebra, I think. What do you think? I think it's a great looking zebra. And then for the little tail, so we're going to start with the tail off. We're just going to go up like this and take it around like that. And this side we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to make it wider. And then our zebra is going to have a bushy tail there. There we go. There's the bushy tail of our zebra. Okay, so now it's time that we're going to actually draw the stripes. So the stripes might take a little time. So with the stripes we're just going to sort of draw a stripe like so, like a collar. Good. And then we're going to draw another one like so, and we're going to continue with it like this. But remember, we have a curve that will go around like so, so our stripes must follow this curve. Alright, good. And then from here we're going to draw another line back, and it doesn't have to be perfect, so just rough lines. Don't worry too much about trying to be perfect like so. See, there's one, and then we're going to do this same thing as here as well, and we're going to follow it through back. And again, good. You're doing great. Just follow along with me. Good. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the last stripe that we can use here. And let's bring this stripe like so and go down like this. And here you just make a mark like that. So there's another stripe for our zebra. And then from here I want you to go down like so and bring it up. Down like so and bring it up. There we go. And this side as well. So you can make all these little beautiful stripes for our zebra. Bring it up. There we go, like so. And remember, this is a rough sketch, so we're going to change a few things here still. So there we go. And I know it's a bit more complicated, but it's good to try complicated things sometimes. You know, you grow as an artist if you try difficult things. So we're going to do this thing, and we're going to go back, and we're going to draw another stripe, another stripe, another stripe. Yeah, that's good. Continue with the stripes. And then on our tail we can have maybe a few little stripes here as well, just to say it's a zebra's tail. And then here we can also draw a few stripes. So you draw a stripe down, and we can draw another stripe down like so, and you will bring it down. And here we can maybe draw a little stripe like so. We're going to bring it down. We're going to bring another stripe down like this. See, and there's our little zebra stripes, and maybe another little stripe like so, and it can go up like that, and it can split maybe. So there we go. And here we're going to draw a line down, so there's many stripes on our little zebra. Good. Just follow along with me. Here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. I think it's going to look absolutely great. There's a stripe there, and there we go. So perfect. And then this little arm that extends, it's a bit short. We're going to make it a bit longer, and we're going to put in the hoof there, and we're going to have stripes there as well. There you go. And there's our little rough sketch of our zebra. The next thing we're going to do, now we're going to draw the zebra. So now we're going to make some changes. we can make it a bit rounder, a bit fatter. So let's see what we're gonna do here. So the first thing I like to do is to draw the eye first and make it a bit bigger. See, I don't follow it exactly because I'm looking now where it can look better, and I'm gonna draw the bottom line like this. Good. And then from here I will draw the face up like so, and I will go round like so, and I'm going to draw the eye here as well and complete the eye with a little circle there. And I think let's color in the eye so it stands out a bit more. Yeah, you can do that, and we're going to do the same here as well. Good, perfect. I think it looks perfect so far. So the nostril a bit bigger, and a bigger nostril there as well. So we're going to connect the little mouth like so, and you're going to bring it down, and let's make a smile. There's a smile, see? And then we're going to go down like this, and we're going to go up like so, and we're going to just make the mouth a little bit open. What do you think? Like so. There we go. That's perfect. That's perfect. Now for the little face, you're going to do this. So we're going to make everything a bit rounder. So I want the ear a little bit bigger, see? And now I change it because I have a general shape of my zebra. So I have a rough idea what I want to do now. Good. And then for the back of the head, we're going to bring it out like so. You see there it's a bit bigger now. And here we're going to bring it out like so as well. Good, good. Now we're going to draw the arm, so we're gonna draw it round like so. We're gonna meet it up like there, and we're gonna bring it in. And from here, you're gonna make it round, and you're gonna bring it down and there. See, we have a bit of a bigger zebra now. Alright, a little plum zebra, good. And let's just draw this line back. So we sort of have this indication of what we want to do. Good, there we go. And now we're going to draw the belly. There we go, like so. And we're going to draw the zebra's lines. Okay, you're with me. And we're going to go back. We're going to draw another line, and we're going to go back. And before we go back, let's just draw the hoof. There's the hoof. And we're going to follow through on this like so, and we're going to go back like this, and there is the back side of our zebra, and this line is going to go down like that. And now here we're going to do this, and we're going to go around and connect it. I know it's a bit tedious to draw all these little lines of the zebra, but follow along with me. You'll see it's going to look absolutely amazing when it's finished. So we should show a bit of patience when we do this and not get too much in a hurry. Alright, now I will draw the leg. So I'm starting here from the front, and I'm going back like so, and I will return it. And for this leg we're going to do the same. We're going to bring it back a bit longer. See, I'm already making the legs bigger just to get the proportions right. And we're going to draw them back like so. So there we go, there's our zebra. And then for the stripes, we're going to take it around. We can make this one a bit bigger. You can just do this, and we're going to do the same again. A bit bigger, and maybe a line like this, and a bit bigger, and here. There we go. And let's do the same thing here as well. So there's the back of our zebra's leg, and we're going to just make a line like this, and we're going to make a line like so, and a line like so. There we go. And of course the hooves. There we go. Our beautiful little zebra. And we're just going to draw a little patch of grass, and from here we're going to continue like this, and we're going to continue down, and we're going to follow this up, so like so. There we go. And then we're going to just you draw a little line, because this would be the stripes on the zebra's face, and we're going to go back, and we're going to go back. There we go. Look at that. I think that looks absolutely amazing. What do you think? So we're going to go down like so, and we're going to go down with another thin line like this, and the same here we're going to go a line and a line, and maybe like this, and another line like so, and here we're going to draw a little line, and we're going to draw just a line like this and a line in the middle. There we go. And then for the arms, so line back and forth like this, and another line like this. I think it's absolutely great. Then you're going to draw a line, yet another line, and another line. So in your own time you can color in these lines that you've drawn. You can color in everything there, and then let's draw the hair on top. So we're going to go down like so, and you're just going to do something like this, and then you're going to draw a few lines down like that. So we can just roughly color it in, just roughly, and you can make the ear as well. There's the other ear. Perfect. And just a little mark there for the mouth, and then lastly for the tail. So there is our little zebra's tail. Yeah, that's great. And the zebra has a sort of a I won't say a bushy tail, but sort of a stringy tail. There's a lot of hair like that. Good. And then we can just color in the hooves like so. So now you can go in your own time, and you can actually color in all the stripes, and you can color in the zebra, and maybe you can draw some background images as well, maybe some trees, some mountains, whatever you prefer. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.